Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily routine for liquid foundation. You guys know liquid foundation is my favorite kind. I feel like stick formulas are way too dry for my skin. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do in my everyday life. So I'm just gonna start off by applying some moisturizer to my skin. I try to focus that moisturizer right in the nose area, especially because that's where I get most dry patches, and I feel like that's where my foundation tends to like stick on and it looks very weird. So that's why I try to blend it very well throughout my whole entire face and pretty much just focus the moisturizer right in my T-zone. So then afterwards I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to test my foundation. In this case I'm gonna be using another BB cream, and this is to pretty much contrast the dark foundation. I tend to use this BB cream when I have a dark foundation that I need to lighten up because it's very like pale, and I feel like it does the job right. I do not use that much because it does have a very sticky consistency and I do not like it that much. So that's why I just apply a tiny bit to my skin in order to lighten my foundation. That's about it. So there you guys see me pretty much testing it right in my face, so you guys can see a little bit of what I'm talking about. Now I'm taking this 2 foundation and I'm gonna use the number 2. I always go for number 2 porcelain. I don't know why I have a number 3, and probably that's what I use in summer. I'm not really sure. So anyways, I'm just shaking the products. Okay, so there you guys see me pretty much applying the product throughout my whole entire face, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it super well without leaving any harsh lines. And I feel like the wet sponge is the best method to distribute the product on your face because it gives you a very even coverage and it's just very nice and like a very natural coverage. And I feel like I use this on my daily makeup routine. Sometimes I will switch it to a brush, but I feel like it depends on the foundation I'm using, and this one has a very like medium to high coverage, so that's why I pretty much use it with a wet sponge because it does give me a cakey effect if I apply it with my brush. So yeah guys, this is pretty much what I'm doing here. Okay, so now that I'm pretty much done applying the foundation, I'm gonna set my whole entire face using this powder foundation, and I really like it because it gives me a very matte effect. And yeah, I'm gonna do also my eyebrows in this video because I feel like my skin was looking a little bit too weird if I did not do my eyebrows. And yeah, besides I really like doing my eyebrows. It's very calming and it's very simple. I do not apply that much products because I feel like I do have very thick eyebrows anyway, so it doesn't really matter where I apply because it's still gonna look nice and defined. So yeah guys, this is pretty much what I'm doing here and the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. Remember to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. Take care. Bye bye.